All right, Facebook, YouTube. We're on a second job of the day. We did a carpet cleaning this morning doing BLM. Now we're doing a residential house. The repeat client that used us last month for their HVAC cleaning. We did their ducts. And then now we're gonna come back to the carpet. We have a total of 6 areas, including the steps. And then we're gonna reapply their factory protector after we're finished. So with that said, I wanna kind of educate you guys on the kind of carpet that we're cleaning. Typical low-grade carpet, what they call contractor's carpet, is going to be a polyester carpet. That's what we're cleaning today, meaning it's a low cost. It's the good news is it's stain resistant, but the bad news is it wears out fast, it crushes, it mats down, and that's just the reason why is the construction of the fiber yarns, because it's it loves oil, it's synthetic, and it does not hold up in terms of the weight of it. So. And it wears out fast, especially in high traffic areas, and it's just hard to reverse it because it's cosmetic. Now our job is to remove the soil. That's the whole point of carpet cleaning. But the problem is with that is it just loves hold on to oil loving properties, and there's a hold up. So you'll notice in this kind of carpet, it just it loves just to be abraded down, as you can see here. See that? Now we did agitate it after pre-sprayed, but still, it's gonna just not wear right. It's not gonna wear good, as opposed to nylon carpet or even Tigressa. In fact, nylon is probably the best carpet I recommend. The cleanability is great, and I clean carpet. Carpet's like 25, 45 years old, and after we clean it, it looks brand new. And that's one of the great benefits of having a mid-grade carpet like nylon. You can't go wrong with that. But lower grade stuff, I know the price is an issue. You're spending anywhere from $200 to $250 a square foot compared to the nylon, between 5 and 6 or even 4. But yeah, I would recommend nylon all the way, because this is what happens when you have a polyester carpet. All right, guys, hope that helps you. Hope that's a blessing to you. Stay tuned for the after work and have a great day. All right, guys, we're steaming it out now. It's responding well, as you can see. Look at that. So we did so far. Again, it's polyester carpet, but it is being cleaned and all the soil is being suspended. And that's what you want. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And then I'll show you the after work. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. It was a success. The customer loved it and gave us a 5-star review. Again, if you guys need us, call us. Thanks for watching and have a good day.